C-value paradox is the topic included in MSc second semester botany, paper 2, unit 2. This topic is presented by Praveen Jain, assistant professor botany, Government CLC Arts and Science College, Patan, Durg. C-value paradox. The term is given by Hewson Swift in 1950. Later, C.A. Thomas coined new term C-value enigma in 1971. The other names for C-value paradox are N-value, which denotes number of genes, and G-value for genome size. When we go for the definitions, Roger and Collett, 1948, the remarkable constancy in nuclear DNA content of all the cells of an individual. It is denoted as the amount in picograms of DNA in haploid cells or gametes, that is genome size. This means the picogram value of DNA content in haploid genome is called C-value. This is calculated by the formula genome size in base pairs is equal to 0.978 into 10 to the power 9 picograms of DNA. That means 1 picogram will include 978 mega base pairs, and 8 adenine and thymine pair is equal to 615.383 picograms, and 1 GC pair, that means guanosine and cytosine pair, is equal to 616.3711 picograms of DNA. So, this will constitute E. coli genome for 4.6 megabase pairs, which is sufficient to make 3000 different types of proteins. And human genome is around 3000 megabase pairs, that is 3 gigabase pairs, which is sufficient to make 10 lakh protein types. But the number of genes in human genome is 30,000 only. So what is the paradox? Here some examples. We can understand by some examples. The Drosophila has 1.8 into 10 to the power 5. This is the amount of picogram DNA, that is C value. And snake in the order of 10 to the power 6. Human is also in this order, 3.4 into 10 to the power 6, where locust has 3 times more than humans, and onion 1.8 into 10 to the power 7. The ferns has 1.6 into 10 to the power 8. So this table is made in increasing order to show the complexity level and the C value. We see here that there is no correlation between complexity of the organism and C value. This means simpler protozoa like amoeba has more C value than humans. Also fern and onion like plants have more C value than humans. So we see the paradox. What is the paradox? The C value differs in different organisms, but number of genes which make structural proteins do not vary in proportion to increasing C value. It is also not related to complexity of the organism. We take another example of salamander, a reptile. It has 40 times more DNA than humans Also, frog has 7 times more C value than us. So there is no correlation between complexity, number of proteins, number of coding genes, and the DNA content, that is C value. So how this paradox was solved? The solution came as the eukaryotic genome has large amounts of non-coding parasitic and non-protein making parts. We humans have only 1.2% active genes. That means they are the coding regions is only 1.2%, and 98.8% is inactive part, which do not code anything. It is other inactive. So this is the method by this paradox is explained. Thank you.